Do you find it daunting to balance chemical equations using trial and error? Well, here's another method, which I like to call the algebra method. Instead of writing numbers with the compounds or elements, we start by writing letters. The first element I'll write A, the second B, the third will be C, last will be D. And if you have more elements or compounds, you can write E, F, and so on. Now I'll compare the elements, not using numbers, but using letters. Starting with nitrogen, on the left hand side we have a number of nitrogens, because 1 times A. On the right hand side we have 1 times C, so C nitrogens, and you put an equal sign between the two letters. Moving on to hydrogen, on the left hand side we have 3 times A, so 3A hydrogens, equals, on the right hand side we have 2 times D, so 2D hydrogens. As for oxygens, on the left hand side we have 2 times B, 2B oxygens, plus 1 times C, C oxygens, and don't forget this one, which is D. So now we have 3 algebraic equations, and now we have to choose a letter that is present in all of these equations or is common across most of them. I'll choose A, and when you choose your letter, you set it equal to 1. So I'll say let A equals 1. As soon as A is equals to 1, C will become 1 because A is equals to C. And this equation, 3A is equals to 2D, will be 3 times 1 is equals to 2D, meaning D is equals to 3 upon 2. As for the last equation, 2B is equals to C, which is 1, plus D, which is 3 upon 2. Find B using your calculator and you'll get B as 5 upon 4. Now we take our original equation and instead of the letters, we replace them with their respective values. I'll replace A with 1, B with 5 upon 4, and C with 1, and D with 3 upon 2. And finally, we have to get rid of the fractions. For this, I'll multiply the whole equation by 4. And for the final answer, we get 4 ammonia plus 5 oxygens, which react to give 4 nitrogen monoxide plus 6 H2O. On the left hand side we have 4 nitrogens, on the right we have 4 as well. On the right hand side we have 4 times 3, 12 hydrogens. On the left hand side we also have 12 hydrogens. On the left hand side we have 2 times 5, 10 oxygens. On the right hand side we have 4 plus 6, which is also 10. So our equation is balanced. Now try to solve both of these questions on your own. These are the answers. Let me know if you're able to get them right in the comments, and I'll see you in the next one.